Hi everybody, this is Miss Allen. I am here to show you how to work your course. This is a fully online course. It has a lecture portion and a lab portion. I am going to be doing the lecture portion. You have a separate lab instructor for this class, so I'll just be showing you how to navigate the lecture portion. So the first thing that's going to happen, and there's a separate video for this as well, but you will have to do the EVA. As you can see, if you go to course content, you can't see anything because you haven't done the EVA. This is the video about how to do the EVA. That's a completely different video, so I did that separately, so you can do that if you haven't already done it. So once you do the EVA, I will do that really quickly for you so that you can see how that works. Because once you do that, then you can see the stuff that you need to see. So I'll just click on a couple of stuff here. Save and submit. Okay, so once you do that, now you can go back and you can see your first unit. So before I go into that, let's talk a little bit about the lecture portion. Everything for lecture is going to be under course content. Your lab will be here, so you can talk to your lab instructor about that. These are your lecture schedule and due dates. Please make sure that you adhere to these due dates. I do not accept anything late, so please be aware of these due dates. I've got everything written here. As far as grading is concerned, please make sure that you know that your lecture is worth 75%, your lab is worth 25%. That is all gone over right here. This is your lecture grading, what you will be graded on. With your lab instructor, she will give me your grade at the end of the semester, and I will take that. I'll take 25% of that, 75% of your lecture grade, and that will be your overall grade. This is very important that you know that in order to receive a C in the course, you must obtain an average of at least 70 in both lecture and lab. Okay, so if at the end of the semester, if you've got a 60 in lecture and an 80 in lab, you will get a D for the course because you didn't make at least a 70 in both. Okay, now once you have done everything and you see your first unit, click on Unit 1, and each unit is going to have different modules. Each module will tell you exactly what's going to be graded for each thing, a quiz, and at the end of the third module, then you'll have a Unit 1 exam. Each unit is going to have an exam at the end of it. So if you click on the first module, these are objectives that you do not turn into me. These are just things to help you study. You can print them out if you want to, write the answers down, whatever you want to do that helps you study. Again, you do not have to turn them into me. Here's your reading assignment in the book. Here are the PowerPoints that go with the reading assignment. And there's some other little things that I have there to help you out. And then after you finish that, you take your quiz. Once you finish that quiz, then you'll go back to Unit 1. You'll do Module 2. You'll take the Unit 2 quiz. Then you'll do Module 3. You'll take the Unit 3 quiz. And then you can take the Unit 1 exam. Once you take the Unit 1 exam, then Unit 2 will open up. I have the lecture portion set up to where that once you finish one unit, you can go on to the next unit. You do not have to wait until a certain date for them to open. They open as you finish them. But please make sure that you do adhere to the due dates for lecture. Also, another thing, I'm going to exit the preview here so I can show you. After everything is done at the end of the semester, you will have the final exam, the cumulative lecture exam, okay? And that due date is also listed here. That due date is December 16th, but that will open up once you finish Unit 4, okay? So that's it for the lecture portion of the course. Remember that you have a different lab instructor. She will help you navigate the lab. This is the lecture portion, and make sure you do the EVA before you can get anything else done. You have to do the EVA. If you have any questions, you know how to get in touch with me. Actually, here's how you get in touch with me. That's your lab instructor, Miss Bostic, and here's my information. Okay, so I look forward to working with you this semester. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you. Have a great semester.